To screen share on Zoom, start by joining a meeting or creating a new one. Once you are in the meeting, click on the Share Screen button located at the bottom of the Zoom window. This will open a new window with various sharing options, including desktop, window, or phone screen. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you want to share your entire desktop, choose Desktop. If you want to share a specific window or application, choose Window. You can also choose to share a portion of your screen by selecting the Portion of Screen option. After selecting the sharing option, you will see a preview of what you are about to share. Make sure to close any unnecessary windows or applications that you do not want to share with the meeting participants. You can also choose to share your audio or computer sound by checking the boxes next to Share Computer Sound and Optimize for Video Clip. Once you are ready, click on the Share button to start sharing your screen. You will see a notification at the top of the Zoom window indicating that you are sharing your screen. The meeting participants will also see a notification that you are sharing your screen. To stop sharing your screen, click on the Stop Share button located at the top of the Zoom window. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Alt-S to stop sharing your screen. Best practices for screen sharing on Zoom include making sure your internet connection is stable, closing any unnecessary windows or applications, and being mindful of sensitive information that you do not want to share with the meeting participants. It is also a good idea to test your screen sharing settings before the meeting to ensure that everything is working properly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively screen share on Zoom and enhance your virtual meetings and presentations. Remember to always be mindful of what you are sharing and to stop sharing your screen when you are finished to maintain your privacy and security.